NCAA Season 99 opening ceremony nag-uumapaw sa performances. Tunghayan sa report.
Sinimulan ang programa sa song number ng ilang sparkle artists with SEA Games rhythmic gymnastic gold medalist Daniel De La Pisa at cheerleaders from NCAA member schools. Nag-perform din ang P-pop group na First One. Pumarada rin ang mga atleta mula sa 10 NCAA member schools. At nagbigay ng mensahe si GMA Network Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe Algozon.
The NCAA has the distinction of being the first and premier collegiate athletics association of the Philippines. It has produced so many outstanding national athletes in various fields of sports who have become heroic symbols of our youth, not only in sportsmanship, but also in terms of discipline, perseverance, and excellence.
Pinangunahan ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards ang opening prayer na sinundan ng pag-awit ng Queendom. Sila Rita Daniela, Jessica Villarubin, Thea Ashley, Marian Osabel, Hannah Priscillas at Asia's Limitless star Julianne San Jose. Naroon din si Julia Montes, ang 5 breakups and romance co-star ni Alden. Ipinakilala na ang newest batch of courtside reporters. At nagsilbing hosts sila Martin Javier, Mateo Gudicelli, Pate De Silva at Ara San Agustin. Ipinakilala ang bumubuo ng NCAA Season 99 Policy Board and Management Committee sa pangunguna ni Dr. Vincent K. Fabella, na president ng komite ng host school na JRU. Kasama rin si GMA Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso. Pinangunahan naman ni JRU Heavy Bombers Men's Basketball Team Captain Ray De La Rosa ang oath of sportsmanship. Pagkatapos nito, formal nang binuksan ang NCAA Season 99. Sa buwan naman ng laban ng Season 99 sa pagitan ng defending champs na Letran at host school na JRU, nanalo ang JRU. Ipinakilala na rin ang AI-generated sportscaster na sina Maya at Marco. Cris Zuniga para sa Mornings with GMA Regional TV.